Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade Visual Studio 2022 to brand new Visual Studio 2026 step by steps without losing your settings, your extensions or your sanity. And before we jump into the upgrade, let me quickly tell you why you should upgrade to Visual Studio 2026. Alright, enough talking, let's upgrade. Okay, before we touch anything, there are few things you want to do first. Step 1. Backup your Visual Studio setting. Go to Tools, then Import and Export setting and choose Export Select Environment setting. Save this file somewhere safe. Now step 2. Go to Extensions, then click on Manage Extension and scroll through what you have installed. Some extension may not be compatible with Visual Studio 2026 right away. So knowing what you had is helpful. Step 3. Make sure your PC meets the system requirement. Visual Studio 2026 require Windows 10 versions or later and at least 4 GB of the RAM through 8 GB or more is recommended. Check the Microsoft document links in the description for the full list. Now, here is the main event. The best way to upgrade the Visual Studio is through the Visual Studio installer. Open the Start menu and search Visual Studio installer. Click to open it. Once it is loaded, you will see your current installation, which is Visual Studio 2022. Now, if you want to update it to the 2026, you click on Available Options and click on Install. Here I have select few workloads like ASP.NET and web development, Azure and AI developments, Python, Node development. You can choose as per your requirement and click on Install. Installer start download file depending on your internet speed and which workload you have. This could take anywhere 5 to 30 minutes. So grab a coffee and I'll speed up this part. Once the download finish, the installer will apply the update automatically. You may see Visual Studio close during this process. That's completely normal. If you ask whether you want to install the Visual Studio 2026 side by side with Visual Studio 2022, that means keeping both the version installed. You can choose S if you want a safety net. I will talk more about that in a moment. Otherwise, you choose the upgrade your existing installation. And there we go. The installation is complete. Let's launch the Visual Studio 2026 and verify everything works. So click on Visual Studio Insider. So this is how our installation has been completed. You can simply click on Skip and Add Account Later and start Visual Studio. That's how you see the screen. Now click on Continue without code. Visual Studio 2026 is now open. Now let's restore our settings. Go to Tools, Import and Export Settings, then Import. Navigate to the setting file you saved earlier and import it. This is how you bring back your shortcut and preferences. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more developer tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.